Welcome to the Applications Platform training videos from Codeless Platforms. Here are the objectives and approximate running time for this video. In the previous video, we updated the record name template of the order and order line objects and added fields to the order line object. We will continue our training by adding fields and updating the record name template of the payment object. To begin, let's click the Payment tab, click the drop-down arrow, and select Object Definition. In the menu bar, select Fields, and the page will scroll down. Then click the New Field button. Choose the field type as Currency, and click Next. In the field label, type Amount, and in View Header, type AMT. Set the default value to 0 and the minimum value to 0. In the Advanced Field Properties, select Always require a value in this field in order to save a record. Now click Save. In the Add to Pages and View section, select All Payments and click Save and New to add another field. Select the field type as Text and click Next. Type Reference in the field label and accept all other defaults. And click Save. In the Add to Pages and View section, select All Payments. OK, let's click Save and New to add another field. Choose Base Currency as the field type and click Next. In the field label, type USD Amount, and in the View Header, type USD. For this example, we will leave the rest on the default settings. And click Save. In the Add to Pages and View section, select All Payments, and click Save before continuing. OK, we are now going to update the payment record name template to include an auto-populated amount field. On the current page, click the Edit button and scroll down to the Template Helper section. Find the Select Merge Token dropdown and select Amount. In the Copy Merge Token input box, a template string will appear and be selected. OK, now copy the template string and click in the Record Name Template input field and paste the template string into the field. Click Save to complete the changes we have made, then return to our Classic Guitars application. And that's it for this video. We have added fields to the payment object and updated the record name template of the payment object so that it assigns the associated amount. In the next video, we will create a new relationship between customer and order objects, create additional new relationships, and enter demo data for customers, orders, order line, and payments. Thanks for watching.